Well, you know us as Joe
and Shane
because we are
the Gold Guys.
You show up to a precious metal dealer to sell your gold, and you ask what spot price is. The dealer tells you a totally different number than what you're seeing on your phone. The question is, who's right? Who has the most accurate spot price? This example isn't made up. I've seen it all the time. People come into the store thinking their items are worth more than they really are, not just for sentimental reasons, but because they think spot price is higher than it really is. When this happens, I ask customers where they're getting their spot price from, and I hear all sorts of answers. The most common source I hear is Google. When you ask Google what the price of gold is, you'll see a pretty chart with a big number in the top left corner, and that looks like it's the gold price. And in a way it is, but in a way it also isn't, and it's not necessarily the most accurate. Google will show you the COMEX price, or the price of gold futures, not the price of a physical ounce of gold. Futures are like the stock market. It's mostly digital with a bunch of unique technical operations you can do when buying, selling, and trading you can't do with physical gold. As such, the price of gold futures is different from the price of physical gold. While it's usually close, it's usually off by about $20 to $30. Another common source people use is Yahoo Finance. Sadly, Yahoo Finance has the same problem as Google. They're pulling gold futures, not physical gold prices. What about distributors or seller platforms? Usually it's going to be the same deal. Many of them use the COMEX as the foundation and add their own tweaks as well. Some raise the spot price a little, some drop it down a little, but again, they're basing it off of that futures market. So who actually has the price of physical gold and silver? Sadly, there's no definitive physical-only price of gold or silver, but the closest you're going to get is from Kitco. Kitco pulls their gold price from AXU USD, which for the sake of simplicity, I'll call spot gold. So how is spot gold different from COMEX gold futures? There are a few key differences, but the main important difference is that spot gold is based on immediate transactions that are actually happening right now, whereas COMEX is based on futures contracts, or transactions that will happen in the future, buying and selling that hasn't happened yet. For more differences between spot gold and COMEX futures, I'll put a table up on the screen right now for you to take a look. There are a couple other main differences, but most importantly is this. Spot gold is happening now, COMEX is happening in the future. The same can be said about spot silver, XAG USD, spot platinum, XPT USD, and spot palladium, XPD USD. So if you want the most accurate spot price, we trust Kitco. If you found this video interesting and are interested in selling your precious metals, stop by one of our stores or order a mail-in kit from our website.